Good morning. This is John Harder, aka Wealth Wiz. I have an opportunity that I am very excited about that I would love to share with you. Now, let me say this. This is not an ordinary opportunity. This isn't, this isn't like other opportunities. It's not like any other. Let me just say this. I have been an internet marketer for 30 years, and I have never seen an opportunity that had the potential that this opportunity does. Now, I know, yeah, that's what they all say, right? That's what they all say. Listen, I've been, for 30 some years, I've been an internet marketer, and I have been in very many opportunities. And of course, some of them I made some good money, other ones I didn't so much. But listen, the cryptocurrency market, and I call it a market because, of course, there's the trading aspect of it. But cryptocurrency, uh, if you're so new to the idea of crypto and don't know yet what crypto means, it's just the same thing as when you hear Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin was the original of the cryptocurrencies. And excuse me. And the thing is, the cryptocurrencies, they are the future of money. Now, how this is all going to play out remains yet to be seen. But if you have any idea what what the banking systems, what all that was all about for for hundreds of years, and what drove the economy as it had been all the time, and the industries, the pharmaceutical industries, as well as the industry like of the industrial, stuff, as far as as well as the well, we could go every direction, automotive, oil, all of these things. But listen, it was never needed. It was never necessary that we used oil for, fuel driven vehicles. That was never necessary. There are many things like that. For instance, the cure for cancer and many other health related. Just it's everything that you've been taught in school, in college, and university, and almost everywhere is a hoax. All of it is a hoax. Because life is far better than all that. Far better. So, what am I really talking about? The world is changing. The world is changing. The world is now moving away from the monetary system that we have been trapped in for so long. The monetary system that has enslaved humanity. Okay? We're moving away from that. And cryptocurrency is taking over. And at this point, yeah, I know. You see these videos about robots and about this and listen, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, so let's talk about this opportunity for a bit because man, ah, the way the world was going, we were very close to being completely enslaved by the powers that shouldn't be. Well, who were these creeps? Who were these people? They were the people behind the curtain, manipulating and using the force of government to control the people. But you know what? Cryptocurrency is taking the power away from them. Ever since 2008, and 2008, maybe not quite so much, but once Bitcoin became a little bit more known, they became fearful. The banksters, the banking cartels became fearful of what Bitcoin was going to do because they could not crack it. They could not crack it, no matter how many teams they put on to crack the protocols, the written protocols that TBC is. I'm saying TBC, I mean BTC is. Okay, so let's look at the opportunity now. Crypto trading in the crypto markets is very, very lucrative. Very lucrative. It's almost insane how lucrative it is. And you may say, well, yeah, I mean, look at Bitcoin just having dropped way down. Listen, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. And it goes way up, that's a good thing. It's always a good thing. Now, the thing about the crypto market is that it's very lucrative. And trading in the crypto. There's no ceiling to how much money you can really make with this. Okay. Now, and another thing is that you can earn Bitcoin daily. I earn Bitcoin daily, and you know what? I'm not going to mention the program that I'm talking about actually in this email. In this here video. Because here's the thing. As soon as I do, then people watching this video, they go, oh yeah, I heard, yeah, I heard about, And the thing is, when we hear a tiny bit about something and we hear it from somebody who has an opinion, knows nothing about it, just has an opinion because they heard something, you see, and then they talk about it without knowing anything about it, just because they heard something and they talk about it and they make their own conclusions and so on, and they say, oh yeah, I heard about that, yeah, it's nothing important. Meantime, you're missing out on the biggest opportunity. And let me say this, there are two very, very big opportunities that are available to you right now. But of course, you can just brush them off and say, whatever, yeah, it's okay, another opportunity will come. But trust me when I tell you, when you look back later and you find out what it is I've been talking about, if you did not proceed to check this out, and later You hear about people making crazy money with trading in the crypto markets. Not only that, but also earning an insane amount of crypto, of Bitcoin on a daily basis. And you look back and you say, shit, I heard a guy, I was watching a video, he was talking about, he was talking about some crazy program that was yielding crazy results. And I didn't check it out further. What the heck was I thinking? Exactly. What are you thinking? Okay. What are you thinking? All right. Enough said. You want to know more? You want to know how to earn Bitcoin daily? And you want to know how to earn crazy profits by trading and knowing how to, actually knowing how to, not not just buy crypto thinking that it's all going to work out, and then you know, and then later the price starts going down and you're trying to sell but it's not selling, and you end up having to write it all the way down. What about when you know when to pull out so that you can pull out before you lose, before it starts going down? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so there's links in the description below, and I urge you to check it out right now and begin, because this train ain't stopping. Right? You have a good one. Peace.